from limited edition. Beautiful. This is beautiful box Jordan logo. This is cement gray color over here. You have the elephant print details over here. The different Nike logos. Wow, that is so beautiful. Such a beautiful sneaker. In the back you have this beautiful pull tag. This is a cream color Jumpman logo with your written on it. You have this beautiful dark elephant print, and what a beautiful sneaker. It's in the summit white color. Tail midsole with hits of white over here. You have this detailing over here. Look at the elephant print. It's one of the most significant design discoveries in the history of sneakers, the elephant print. It's elephant print over here. It comes with only this summit white color laces. Look at the quality. Beautiful soft tumble leather. This is the outsole. Jordan written over here. Beautiful Jordan 3 outsole. Look at the leather, man. I have this limited edition tag over here. Such a beautiful sneaker. Absolutely stunning. Pure leather. Nike providing good quality leather in their retro sneakers. Wow. Beautiful tumble leather. You don't need to break in. Tumble leather is the leather goes through a process where the leather is it's broken down, so you don't have to break it in. This is the box. It's elephant print, gray, red Jumpman, matching the color shoe. And the paper is also elephant printed paper. Red Jumpman logo on the tongue, well padded tongue. And front and the bottom, you have a very nice tumbled, very good quality leather over here. You can see the texture, it's very soft and nice. Over here you have a smooth leather, and in the mudguard portion you have this beautiful elephant print. I'll show you a macro look. And then also over here you have this elephant print. You have plastic knee soles. These are the details. You have a sail color midsole, aged to give it a vintage look. These are retros. You have the Nike Air unit over here. And the back you have Jordan written in black over here, not much visible. Typical Jordan 3 outsole, and the quality of the leather is superb. The color is summit white. It's not typical Air Force One white, and the summit white is the color which is used on cars, white cars. And see, you have this beautiful red Jumpman embroidered on the tongue, nice thick padded tongue. These details, you have very good cushioning. You have this Jumpman on the insole. You have very good padded cushioning, thick tongue, tags over here, and overall this is the beauty of a shoe. One of the best looking shoes I have. This is very underrated. I got it at a discount price, which is amazing, from limited edition India. And look at the shoe, how beautiful this shoe is. This is Real Jordan 3 cement gray on-fit look. These look absolutely stunning. The leather quality is awesome. And for sizing for Indian feet, definitely go half size up. You have this beautiful dark elephant print on the front and on the back. You have this Jordan logo on the back, Jumpman logo of this. And, very comfortable, much more comfortable than Jordan 1s, and Jordan 3s are now my favorite shoes. After Jordan 3, now Jordan 1 comes. These look absolutely stunning. great with jeans and cargos. Comes like these. This is Summit White. It looks much better than now we have this one, June White. Shoes are awesome.